Okay, so again, they're asking us for a component form vector and the magnitude. So remember to do component form, you do terminal minus the initial. So we would have something like the vector, and we use the angled brackets, terminal, -3, minus the initial. So I take my x's from the terminal minus the initial, and then I do my y's, which would be 6 minus the 2. And so my vector turns out to be -7, 4. And you could check this by moving your, like if I traced on top of this, if I moved it so that right, the initial is starting at 0, 0, the origin, this would be 5, 6, 7, and this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like my answer is probably correct. And then the next one is the magnitude, and because your vector is already in component form, you do the square root of -7 squared plus 4 squared. So be careful with the -7 again. So -7 squared is 49, 4 squared is 16, that adds up to 65, and then if you need your calculator, is the square root of 65 nice? If square root of 65 is not nice, which is square root of 64 is nice, the square root of 65 would be a decimal. Just type in square root 65. Don't use the decimal.